That's Bear, our tune-up, and Cassidy, our 1 week board and train. They're playing, they're having fun. Socialization is key besides their training. And actually, I believe Cassidy is wearing the young kid out. He's almost ready for bed. They were tired today from swimming yesterday. It was their first time going to the dock pool yesterday. Bear did swim. Cassidy, however, is a non-swimmer. She definitely needs to wear a jacket every time she goes to a lake, pond, or pool. Do you know if your dog can swim? That's something each one of you should find out. Get your dog tested. Safety first. I think the old girl pooped him out. Bear, are you tired? You're younger than Cassidy. She's still ready to go. You're pooped out?